평영감사 다득해 세심니 평소 하삼니베 좀 롭스 캐남 스트리슈베네 초 인겔 시벨레 센터리 많이 팅딜레 센토경 바게사 남게이 드링안조 인지 총기 옥스퍼드레 대유 옥스퍼드 시베 총기디 단예 루규 도르트 슈비나 아니 오야 옥스스는 버주 발랑 포드 스스는 안추딩 서부 매버 사스데 인수는 안나럽라 추딩 서부 매버 던주간 버주 다 발랑 서라다 파투 좋은 체자 아니 사스데 밍오디 옥스퍼드 시베디 톱샤 Entering another Oxford from Ginolo, near Jadam going to Chive and Oxford University, or ya Oxford of Chinsis Charted. Oxford of Chin and Tudor Jackson and Jumbatang. Oxford of Chin that Tanda Zamindo get a Chishu check, Lobchin Juya Hedging in Maset, that Lobrena Sivin, Hajang to them Zirisha. Ben Chasasuna that Longy Harry Potter in Sun, Dina Lo Yunjo Mambushik and Oxford of Chin, Lobrena Lone, Barlena and Yorisha. 오야 롭스텔인 수는 옥스퍼드 롭칭게 로마스수 있습니다. 시베토 소경 하장기 통치는 것도 베네 차사스는 고난주 남샤 균도 로마수야 계지지 가레스스는 What's your argument? 가르스고르스는 랑기 다와 가림바. 오야 안난주 드린디 로브레노로 로마 고난주 다 롭스톨 안 다와 가르 유메지 컨디슈와테. What makes a good teacher? I mean from your perspective, what kind of teacher can be defined as a good teacher?
I think a good teacher is a teacher who kind of knows how to tell you when you're wrong and knows how to kind of tell you that you're wrong in a way that makes you want to be right. Yeah. So I think, you know, a good teacher makes you want to do the reading. He shows you that if you were to do more reading, if you were to work harder, you could actually, you know, understand things to the level to which he understands them. So someone who makes you aspire towards them.
Probably someone who listens to you more, someone who kind of works around with how you act and how you learn. Someone who tries to find out the ways that you learn and tries to tailor their teaching towards you in the best way possible. For me, anyway.
Yeah, very much agree. Kind of taking the extra time to make sure, as individual students, you understand what the topic is that they're trying to teach.
So what makes a good student?
I think a good student, I think what makes a good student is the ability to take criticism, and to be able to realize when you're wrong and, you know, adapt to kind of be more correct, to change your answers, but also the ability to kind of, you know, stand your ground and say, no, I'm quite sure I'm right here. And so kind of that balance between the two.
Okay, and are you a good student?
On my good days, I'm a good student.
Okay.
It's a lot about you putting in the effort and showing that you want to learn. It's an active thing. You have to get involved in it, not just sit there and sort of accept that they're talking to you. You have to take it in, think about it, and again work with the teacher.
Yeah, very similar. Putting in extra work, especially not just doing for example, if it's homework, not just doing the homework sheets, trying to understand the topic from first principles, maybe looking at kind of extracurricular stuff that you can apply to the topic to try and get a broader understanding, not just doing what is told for you to do, just kind of getting a wider understanding of the area.
Oh, okay. What are you studying about?
I study philosophy, politics, and economics.
Okay, thank you. And would you like to recommend this university, I mean Oxford, to the others?
Oh, definitely. I think it's just you have such a close relationship with your teachers that it becomes kind of, you know, easy to see learning as like a daily life thing. It's like you're interacting with teachers, you're socializing with them, and you're realizing, oh, you know, I want to know more, not because this is my education, but because this is my life, you know? So it's very nice.
Would you like to recommend this university to the others?
Oh yes, yes, very much.
오야 안 좋아디니 톨 고난주 슈비 켄난주 세스네 켄난주 좋아디니 톨 공차 가르윤 남바 안니 드링 안난주리 센다가 주드링이 응난주 지스요